Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are okay. So today I'm going to take you to Dubai, and it's really beautiful city. Now I'm going to take you there, but I will say some cost too. And in the meantime, you guys enjoy this beautiful city. So let's start. Okay, so my first quote is: you will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Never put the key to your happiness in somebody else's pocket. Simplify your life, simplify your mind, simplify your surroundings. Notice the people who are happy for your happiness and sad for your sadness. They are in the ones who deserve special places in your heart. The greatest gift you can give someone is the space to be his or herself without the threat of you leaving. Trusting someone with your heart is the same as trusting someone with your life. The hard thing is you try to help them, but still you are in the bad one. You will never find the right person if you never let go of the wrong one. The best revenge is to show them that your life is getting better after they are gone. Everyone should smile. Life really isn't that serious. We make it hard. The sun rises, the sun sets. We just tend to complicate the process. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you, take care, bye bye.